The adventures of Odysseus in Homer's The Odyssey and the Aeneas in Virgil the Aeneid offer profound insights into the ancient Greek and Roman cultures, while also providing a rich tapestry of heroic journeys. This literary analysis aims to explore the similarities and differences between these two iconic figures, focusing on their respective quests, leadership qualities, and ultimate destiny. And now let's start with the author's background. The authors behind the legendary tales of Odysseus and Aeneas, the Homer and Virgil, respectively hail from ancient Greece and Rome. Homer, believed to have lived around 8th century BCE, is traditionally credited with composing the epic poem, The Odyssey, which narrates the trials and tributes of Odysseus and he seeks to return home after the Trojan War. Virgil, a Roman poet born in 70 BCE, penned the Aeneid as patriotic epic commissioned by Emperor Augustus, tracing the journey of Aeneas, a Trojan hero who eventually founds the city of Rome. The next one is the background of the work. The Adventures of Odysseus and Aeneas encompasses two of the most renowned epic poems in Western literature. They delve into the themes of heroism, fate, and the struggles of the human condition. Both narratives are deeply rooted in the cultural ethos of their respective civilization, embodying their values, beliefs, and aspirations. The next one is the setting. The Adventures of Odysseus primarily takes place in the Mediterranean region, including the various islands such as Ithaca, Circe's Island, and the land of Cyclopes. On the other hand, Aeneas' journey spans from the ruins of Troy across the Mediterranean Sea to Italy, where he ultimately established the foundation of Rome. Characterization: Odysseus is effective as cunning, resourceful, and resilient, facing numerous challenges on his voyage home. Aeneas, on the other hand, is portrayed as pious, dutiful, and driven by his destiny to found a new homeland. Both protagonists exhibit trials emblematic of their respective cultures, embodying the ideals of Greek heroism and Roman piety. Plot. The plot of both epics revolves around the arduous journeys undertaken by Odysseus and Aeneas. Odysseus faces a series of trials orchestrated by vengeful gods, including encounters with monsters, seductive sorceries, and the wrath of Poseidon. Aeneas, guided by his divine mission, confronts both mortal and divine adversaries as he navigates the treacherous waters of fate, culminating in the establishment of Rome. The styles of the author. Homer's style in the Odyssey is characterized by its rich imagery, vivid storytelling, and the use of epic conventions, such as epitaphes and epic similes. Virgil, the Aeneid, exhibits a similar grandeur in its language and narrative scope, with a particular emphasis on the solemnity of Roman values and destiny. The next one is the point of view. Both epics are narrated in the third-person omniscient point of view, allowing the audience insight into the thoughts, feelings, and action of various characters. This narrative perspective enables a comprehensive exploration of the multifaceted journeys undertaken by Odysseus and Aeneas. The next one is the conflicts. The central conflicts in the both narratives stem from the protagonist's struggle against external adversities and internal dilemmas. Odysseus contends with the wrath of the gods and the temptation of the Sirens and the challenge of reclaiming his kingdom. Aeneas grapples with the demands of his divine destiny and hostility of his foes and the moral quandaries inherent in his quest for empire. Themes. Several themes resonate throughout both epics, including number 1, heroism and virtue. Both Odysseus and Aeneas embody the virtues instilled by their respective cultures, facing trials with courage, resilience, and honor. Number 2, fate and destiny. The protagonists grapple with the inexorable forces of fate, shaped by the whims of the gods and their own choices. The third one, and the last one, is the national identity and empire. Aeneas' journey culminates the establishment of Rome, symbolizing the rise of the mighty empire, while Odysseus' trials reflect the struggles of a king to reclaim his kingdom. And, in conclusion, the adventures of Odysseus and Aeneas offer profound insights into the nature of heroism, faith, and cultural identity in ancient Greece and Rome. While both heroes face formidable challenges and divine interventions, they embody distinct qualities and fulfill different destinies. Odysseus represents the resourceful, individualistic spirit of the Greek hero, while Aeneas symbolizes the piety, duty, and collective destiny of Roman ideal. Through their epic journeys, these legendary figures continue to captivate and inspire audiences, transcending the boundaries of time and culture. I am Janami Rufino Unico, and that's all for the literary analysis of the two renowned epics, the Odysseus and the Aeneas. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. God bless!